to solve a 3 by 3 Rubik's Cube. It is a very simple puzzle that I am going to show you now. Let's learn the basics.
Okay, let's learn the basics of this cube. This that you can see are the centers, this are the corners, and this are the edges. Let's scramble it now. I'm show you the sub initials of this cube. Right means right up, right down means R dash, up means U means up, left, U dash means up, right, L dash means left, down, L means left, up, B means B, back, left, and B dash means back, right. And okay, first in the 3 by 3 we have to align the cross of white, or you can take any other color, but I will take white and do the cross. And now let's get started. First we have to find all the colors of white and what the colors of the centers are. Now here it is, white and green. Now follow me, light white. Oh, now here it is, but here it is not. We have to shuffle it from here to here and here to here. Move it like this, align and move this up. Now this is aligned. Now this is already aligned, but it is not this color. Now take this down from out of the way, bring this to that color and bring this to its original place. Then white and orange, white or orange, white or orange. Yeah, here it is. Now move this up, take it out of the way and back to original place. Now here it is aligned. 1, 2, 3 are aligned. Now last is white and red. Sorry. Move this back up and move this. After aligning all the edges, the cross will become like this. After this, we have to align all the corners, and let's get started now. The first is, here it is, white, orange and blue. Now find it. First we have to move it down, put it out of the way and move this up again. Now here it is. Okay, move this here, this one down, and this one back to original place, and this also back to original place. Then now here it is, white, green, green and orange. Same method, bring it out of the way and back to original place. Now so here it is, the white. When it is downward, do twice. Now this is aligned perfectly. Same. Okay, 2 are done, and the second one is here. White, blue red. Move this down, bring this out of the way, and again up. This is perfectly aligned now. Okay, turn it down, down. Okay, now bow last is remaining, so here it is. Take it out of the way. And now first I will show you the one case of the corners. Sometimes the pieces are like this aligned. When the pieces are like this aligned, same formula, but in first we have moved here, but in second we have to move here, this down, this up, and this up, and that's how we solve our perfectly first layer of this cube. And that our first layer is completed, and we move on to the second layer. In second layer we have to align this and this colors, and that we have to align by the edges. Let's get started. Now we can see blue and red. When we have to take a edge from up to right, the formula is U R U dash R dash and back to first. Now where it is white, move the white here. This layer then comes up, and this again back and move it down. So our first edge is completed. Then the next edge is which green and orange. Green and orange. Here it is. Again up to right. U R U dash R dash align the corner. Now next is blue and orange. Excuse me. Now when we have to take the up edge up to left, the formula is U dash L U L dash and align the corner. Yes, last is remaining, which is in red and green. Right up to right. U R U dash R dash align the corner. And that's how we solve the second layer. But in some cases the second layer is very difficult, and the cases are excuse me, the cases are like this. There is nothing here. See, In first, the cases are like this, that twisted. When the case is there, same formula, choose any color. It must be of blue or whatever it is. Same. In this case, the right here it is right, so up to right formula. U R U dash R dash, align the corner, and this piece is now out of the way. Now align it and in same formula. U R U dash R dash, align the corner, and that's how we solve the second layer of this cube. Thank you. And we shall move to the third layer after the finishing of second layer. Excuse me. In the third layer, there are 3 cases. When we come in third layer, the case is this L or directly this dash or dash, or only the center piece comes. When the center piece comes, we have to do the formula F R U R dash U dash F dash when there is a single line. When it is single line, the formula is we have to use it only once. In the only L, we have to use the formula 2 times, that is same formula F R U R dash U dash F dash. Again, F R U R dash U dash F dash, and when only this center piece comes, then we have to use it 3 times. Okay, when there is L, the piece up we have to keep in front, and freeze and edge second we have to keep it left hand side. Now let's get started. It is the cross. Don't maintain about these 3 corners, they are duplicates. Now when there is like this case, use R U R dash U R 2 U R dash, and again the same cases. When the whole yellow side is not completed, use this formula only. Behind me, sometimes the cases are like this or like this. Use the same formula R U